Model, 65-plate Vauxhall Vivaro PRIMASTAR Sport 29001.6 CDTI-BT, 140, S, SEC L2H1 spares OR repairs simple clutch fix bargain Starstruck. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, last miles on MOT 211,959 miles, screen broke. MOT, the 16th of September 2024. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6140 PS BITURBO S, SE5. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Engine is 100% all good, needs a simple clutch replacing bargain open mouth smile. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Bargain of a van grin. Features, 2 former keepers, reversing camera,